Okay, student. What is given? The points. 3 points are given. So the three vertices of the triangle is given. A equal to what is the vertices A? 1, 2, 3. Then vertices B equal to minus 1, 0, 0. Vertices C equal to 0, 1, 2. So this is your given vertices. Okay. Now what you are going to do? See, find the angle ABC. What do you mean ABC? What is that? B is the main angle. Okay, that one we are going to find. Okay, so for that we have to find BA or BC. Okay, anyone you have to find. Suppose they ask me the question. What is the question? ABC. Suppose BAC AC and AB. Okay, so any two vectors you have to find and to take a dot product. Then use the formula cos theta. Okay. Now I am taking BA and BC. Okay. So consider OA vector equal to I vector plus 2j vector plus 3k vector, comma OB vector is equal to minus I vector only. Vector only. Then OC vector equal to j vector plus 2k vector. Okay, students. So this is your position vector. Now I am going to find BA. Why sir you are taking BA? Because their question is asking find the angle ABC. Fine. Okay. Now BA. How to find BA? Tell me. OB minus OB. OA minus OB. Terminal point minus initial point. OA minus OB means what will come? OA what come? I vector plus 2j vector plus 3k vector minus OB is minus I vector only. Okay. So simplify this to get I minus into minus plus up 2I vector plus 2j vector plus 3k vector plus 3k vector. So this is your BA vector. BA vector. Now I want to find the magnitude of that. What is the how to find the magnitude? Square root of what is I vector? This 2 the whole square plus again 2 the whole square plus 3 the whole square. Okay. How to find the magnitude? You know what? Okay. The formula is square root of x square plus y square plus z square. So 2 square 4 plus 2 square 4 plus 3 square 9. So what will come? Root of what will come? 4 plus 4 8 is 17. Okay, which is equal to 17. So this is your BA. And next I want to take already I told you BA and BC you have to take. No problem. BC vector how to find terminal OC minus OB. Okay, OC what is given? I j vector plus 2k vector. J vector plus 2k vector minus what is OB? OB is very simple. Minus I vector only. So you should find easily the answer. What will come? Minus into minus plus so I vector plus j vector plus 2k vector plus 2k vector. Now I am going to find that magnitude of BC which Okay, now 10 by 17 into 6 you have to multiply. Okay, so on both also square root only, no, so no problem. 7 6 are 40 will remain at 4. So 1 6 are 6 10 upper root square root of it. So this no problem. Okay, this is the value of cos theta. Otherwise I need only theta means cos inverse 10 by square root of 102. Okay, so this number is some big irrational number point of view is having. So we can't find the exact theta 60 degree 30 degree here. So take that same. Okay, have you got it? No do it. Next question. Okay, students, next question.
The two types of having. The first type is projection of the vector
mean how to take means that is equal to, see, taking a dot product on both a vector dot b vector whole divided by modulus of b vector. Why? Because of we know that value of a vector. Okay, value of a vector, and we don't know b. B means you have to take suppose here. Okay, so projection of vector, projection of vector a vector on b vector, a vector on b vector, which is equal to a dot b by modulus of b vector. So this is your observation page number 444. Okay, so this is very simple. Okay, cos theta மட்டும் நம்ம அந்த சைடு போடுறோம். cos theta 1 ன்னு வெச்சுக்கலாம். கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட்னா a dot b by a vector or b vector. இப்ப a on b ங்கும்போது divided by ல b vector வரும். Okay, a on b. Suppose the question is asking by the projection of vector b vector on a vector. If b on a, what do you mean in this? B on a na, which is equal to the same a dot b. It will not change it. That's say by denominator you have a vector. Denominator modulus of a vector. So this is your projection of the vector a or b on a. So this is the two formulas. Okay, so just you have to see that. Okay, have you got it, children? Fine. Now I want to move these parallel sums, projection sums. See question number 3 and 4, this pattern sum, projection sum. Third question I need you, fourth question is your homework. Okay, now listen, third question. Find the projection of the vector. What is given? Third question, third or fourth? Anything. So fourth question I need you. Third question you have to complete. I'll ரொம்ப simpler. Okay, now listen, the given question, find the projection of the vector given I vector plus 3j vector plus 7k vector, 7k vector, and b vector 7i vector minus j vector plus 8k vector plus 8k vector. Okay, now we need to find the projection. Okay, how to find the projection? So this is a vector named by a vector and this is your b vector. So first we should find what are they? Modulus of a vector, modulus of b vector, then a dot b. So the three things we are going to find first of all. Then only use the formula. Okay. So first I am taking modulus of a vector. So modulus of a means how far? See, what is given a vector? I plus 3j plus 7k. So I want to take modulus mean 1 the whole square plus 3 the whole square plus 7 the whole square. So 1 square 1 3 square 9 and 4 square 49. So take what will come? 49 plus 1 50, 59. So square root of 59 is your magnitude of a vector. Then I want to move modulus of b vector. So that is magnitude of b vector. That is square root of 7 the whole square plus minus 1 the whole square plus 8 square. Okay, now 7 square is 49 plus 1 plus 64 plus 64. Okay, we have to add 49 plus 1 50, 50 plus 64 root of 140, 140. So this is your magnitude of b vector. Now I am moving a dot b, a dot b. So what is a vector? I vector plus 3j vector plus 7k vector, taking a dot product with 7i vector minus j vector plus 8k vector. Okay, so taking a dot product with 1 into 7, 7, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, 7 8 are, what will come? 56. Okay, now add So almost he completed all the questions for this exercise except 11, 12, 13, 14. So these questions only remaining. And example one question is very important. Okay, see. Have you got it all? Yes. Okay, next the very important thing I am going to teach, that is triangle inequality. Triangle inequality. So I know you hear this word in your 11th syllabus, where you know complex numbers, one chapters in the channel. So on the complex numbers like question. State and prove the triangle inequality law on complex number. So now the question will be asking state and prove triangle law inequality for the vectors. For the vector. So that time otherwise look at your example 20. Example 20. So every question given for any two vectors A vector and B vector, we always have modulus of A vector plus B vector is greater than or equal to modulus of A vector plus modulus of B vector. So this one we are going to prove. Modulus of A vector plus modulus of B vector is greater than or equal to less than or equal to modulus of A vector plus modulus of B vector. So this is your triangle inequality. Okay, modulus of A vector plus B vector is less than or equal to modulus of A vector plus modulus of B vector. So that one we are going to prove. Okay, so this is a very important question. Maybe the 2 mark question or 4 mark question is the custom. 2 mark the maybe. Okay. See, and before that, from your second exercise, triangle law. என்னது A vector opposite வச்சுக்க AB, OA is A, OB is B, அப்புறம் வந்து A plus B போடுங்க. ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? So அத வந்து recall பண்ணுவோம். See, I give you the diagram. So this is your AB. Okay, and BC suppose I am taking like this and AC here. Okay. See, so this is AB vector. Consider AB vector is equal to A vector. Okay, and BC vector is B vector. Is B vector. Then AC vector what will come? A vector plus B vector is equal to modulus of that A vector plus B vector. So this is your triangular, you know, for addition. So again we are using that in the concept of dot product. Okay. Now listen. So from the given code, the inequality hold trivially in case either modulus of A vector equal to 0 or modulus of B vector equal to 0. How will you get it? A vector equal to 0 or A vector equal to 0. ஏதா ஒண்ணா இருந்தானா A dot B வந்து பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு 0 வரும். Non zero vectors சொல்லுங்க. Okay. Now listen. Now I am taking A vector plus B vector the whole square. Modulus of A vector plus modulus of B vector the whole square. So this is your already you have a formula A plus B the whole square formula. Adha expand பண்ணனும் பண்ணுங்க. No problem. But we need to use the properties of all the dot products. So adha வேண்டாம். Okay. So how to take sir mean A vector plus B vector taking a dot product here. Again A vector plus B vector. Okay. So like this you have to take. So how to take a dot product? A into A, that is A vector the whole square. A vector the whole square. Steps கொஞ்சம் இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணிக்கல போடுறது not a problem. Okay. இல்லனா ஒரு ஸ்டெப் எக்ஸஸ் பண்ணுங்க. A dot A plus A dot B plus B dot B plus B dot B. Have you got it children? You have to take a dot product like this. And next, see, do you know the value of A dot A? That is A the whole square or modulus of A the whole square, whatever you have to take. Now I am taking modulus of A vector the whole square. Okay, plus A vector vector dot b vector plus, shall we take b dot a equal to a dot b? Yes, we should take, because a vector and b vector be the two non-zero vectors. A dot b equal to b dot b, because of the commutative property. Okay, so these also I am taking a dot b. Then b vector dot b vector means modulus of b vector that whole square. Have you got it, children? Now see, modulus of a vector the whole square plus modulus of b vector the whole square plus a dot b plus a dot b, you get it, 2 into a dot b, 2 into a dot b. Okay, then finally we have to use that, already we have a formula, x is less than or equal to modulus of x. Okay, for all x belongs to R is a real number. Okay, use that concept. You have to take modulus of a the whole square plus modulus of b the whole square plus 2 into modulus of a dot b, modulus of a dot b. So you have to differentiate with a and b to get which is equal to modulus of a the whole square plus modulus of b the whole square plus 2 into modulus of a into modulus of b, like this. Okay, then finally we have this example 19th question. Look at the example 19th question. We have a value modulus of a dot b which is equal to modulus of a into modulus of b. So like this we have to take. So that is equal to what will come means modulus of a vector the whole square plus modulus of b vector the whole square. So 2 into modulus of a into modulus of b, the same only. Okay, same only I am writing. So no problem. Any one step you have to do it. So this is the format of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So you should write modulus of a plus modulus of b the whole square. Okay, in left side what you have? Modulus of a vector plus b vector the whole square. Here what will come? Modulus of a vector plus modulus of b vector the whole square. And before that, here step onwards you have to change into less than or equal to y because of the example 19 question. Okay, so taking square root on both sides, square root on both sides to get modulus of a vector plus modulus of b vector is less than or equal to modulus of a vector plus modulus of b vector. Okay, just go through it. It is very important.